Welcome, my name is Steve with CloudArc, and in this video we'll show you how to convert leads in Salesforce. We'll walk you through the process step by step, and when you're done checking out how to change your life with leads, we have a video at the end that shows other things that you and your team can do to increase results and reduce spending on Salesforce, which includes a new program that will pay you rebates on your annual licenses, which you can invest in training and consulting. Check out that link for how to maximize Salesforce, and let's get started. First, you'll need to navigate to the Leads tab within the app. If you don't see it immediately, you can select the 3x3 grid icon in the left corner and search for Leads. This will bring you to your recently viewed leads. Now remember, you can always change the list view to access different sets of leads. For this example, we'll select a lead for John Smith. Now, what exactly does converting a lead mean? When a lead shows interest, that's your trigger to convert them. And when you convert a lead, it transforms into three distinct records: an account, a contact, and maybe an opportunity. Now, many companies use this as a handoff point from an inside salesperson to an outside salesperson, and the inside sales team can work the initial lead, and once it's converted, the outside team takes over. And that allows them to focus on newly created accounts, contacts, and opportunities. Now, we're going to update the lead before we convert. So before you convert, it's crucial to update the lead with all the information that you have. Make sure the details like the lead source and the name and the phone number are accurate and complete. This will ensure a smooth transition and provide the sales team with all the necessary context. Now let's convert the lead. So you do this by selecting the converted status in the flow image or by clicking the convert button. Now when converting, you'll have the option to either create a new account or search for an existing one. Select create new if this is a brand new account, or choose existing if the account already exists in your system. Similar for contacts, you can create a new contact or search for an existing one. So choose create new or choose existing. Finally, for opportunities, you'll again have the choice to create a new opportunity or search for an existing one. Again, select the option that best fits this situation. Now, once you've completed these steps, your lead has been successfully converted. You'll now see tabs for the newly created account, contact, and opportunity. And you can click on the links provided to navigate directly to any of these records. For instance, if I click on the account I just created, you can see the complete conversion process. You'll also notice a new task button, which allows you to quickly create a task associated with this record. And that's it. You've learned how to convert leads effectively in Salesforce. Mastering these skills will significantly boost your productivity. Now, we've just scratched the surface today. And on the screen and in the description, I've included links to our Salesforce user training playlist. And I've also included a 5-minute video that shares 3 strategies that we use to increase results and help you reduce license costs through a new program called OSP. The video shares a way to get rebate dollars for your annual Salesforce license that you can use for training and consulting. So please spend a few more minutes of your precious time with us, watch that link, and we'll help you take Salesforce to a whole new level in your company. Finally, please like and subscribe. Thank you, and we'll see you soon.